Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation review and demonstration. So I've been using this foundation for a while. Like, I ordered this foundation in my last Nykaa haul. So I got it in like 2018 and this is 2019. By the way, happy new year to all, because I didn't say that in my previous video, I guess. So it's okay, it's never too late. So I'm going to review this foundation. I'm going to tell you about all about this foundation, and it's kind of late review, but it's okay. So I'm going to review this foundation. So yes, if you're interested to know what is this foundation about, how does it look on the face, then keep on watching. And before we jump into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, or do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down your queries about the foundation or in makeup in general. And without further babbling, let's get into the video. So first things first, how can you get this foundation and what is the price of foundation? It is a super affordable type of foundation, like not in India, but it was $6. I guess it was 5.99 or it was 4.99, I'm not sure, but in India it retails for like 600 rupees, 599, and I got it from Nykaa.com. You can also get this online, or you can order it from the Wet n Wild website. But yes, if you will order from the international website, then it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. Like, you have to pay, I guess, 60% more of the price. So you can also get it from different Insta pages. There are many which sell the foundations. If you want them, I can link them down. Just drop me a comment that if you want a recommendation on which Insta pages you should buy from. Next thing I'm going to talk about is the packaging. So this is how, let me show you. Yeah, this is how the packaging looked like. It's a plain, I call it a simple plain Jane cute type of packaging. So this is basically a glass bottle, okay, which is really basic of the foundations. So I think it's a very good quality glass bottle, and it comes with the applicator is just a spatula. Okay, if they haven't given the pump, I was not very happy with it, but once I started using this spatula, I felt like this is better than pumps. So I'm really happy with the packaging and all. Travel friendly and cute and simple, and nothing so like hi-fi, nothing so dull. So packaging is really good. Third thing, I'm gonna come to the shades. Let's go to Nykaa.com for the shades. On Nykaa.com there are just 10 shades where you can actually order from, but internationally like 20 shades are launched. So I am happy with the brand launching 20 shades by itself, but obviously if it's not in India, we cannot do anything of it. But yes, if you want some certain shade, then you can order, like buy your own from the international website, or you can order from the Insta pages. There are many. I'm just gonna read a little bit of claims. So what the foundation promises: it's your skin only better. Wet n Wild's new high performing skin perfecting foundation and when major road testing under 7 different photo light conditions to deliver flawless skin ready makeup every time. Specially made with matte light diffusing complex to give your skin #no filter foundation. Now comes the application part, but before that I just wanted to show you guys its consistency. It is a literally viscous liquid. It's not super fluid like the Makeup Forever foundation. So I am happy with the consistency also. But there is one thing I want you guys to consider in this foundation before buying, is its smell. Its fragrance is like the oil paint type of fragrance. It's not the best fragrance of the world. I mean, it's the worst it's the worst fragrance of the world. I really didn't like its fragrance. It really gets down. That is all for the talking part of foundation for me. Now foundation will talk for me. Let's get in the demonstration and let's just start it. So here are tied in a bun. See how cute little bun. So now I'm gonna start with the foundation review. I didn't get my mirror. Wow. Please don't mind a lot of lip gloss on my lips. I know, like, it's a lot. They're a lot pinky. They're not in the natural shade, but I'm up at 7 in the morning, so let's just start applying it. See how easy it is. It's like so mess free. Even with pumps you have to use your fingers, but this way you don't have to use it. I'm gonna do half of my face first. I always use the product generously, so yes, it's gonna be a lot. So this is my very favorite brush for using the foundation. This is the Sigma F80 brush, or F80, yes, this is the Sigma F80 brush, and I'm gonna start blending it. And by the way, for the shade, I didn't tell you about the shade. I am in the color Golden Beige bar. So let's just blend it properly and not do the talking. For the brush side, I can really say that, let me zoom in a bit. So you can see it's kind of a dewy foundation. Well, they have written on the website it's a matte foundation, but at first it looks dewy. Okay, well, I have been using this foundation for a while also, so I have a pretty good idea about the foundation. That is why I'm gonna tell you from my experience as well as the present situation going on for the foundation. So yes, so this is kind of dewy, but also when I leave it for some time, I don't feel like it's like super matte on my skin, which I really liked about the foundation. It doesn't really like set in the crease line. Okay, it accentuates them a little bit, which I feel like every foundation of mine does. But once it gets set, because when I blend it like really like right on my face and it sets, then it sets pretty well. It doesn't set in them, so I am happy with that. And the coverage, it is like it have medium to full coverage. I can build it up and I don't feel cake. This is the foundation, looking very flawless, very skin like rather, and very beautiful. So let's just do the other side with the beauty blender. I will start applying on the other side. Come here. I hope you can see this properly. That's a lot. I use a lot of foundation, it's okay. So now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and start blending. So guys, this is the side with beauty blender, and to me both sides looks equally same. There is not a major difference. For me, both beauty blenders and the brushes work well. I don't really complain about anything like or for the brushes or the beauty blender, so I am good with both. I'm just gonna tell you about my thoughts on the foundation now. Number one, it is an amazing foundation because I have been using this foundation for a while and it looks good on my skin. I feel so skin like in this foundation. Second, coverage is really buildable, which takes a thumbs up from me. The finish is between like dewy to matte, which really is really good because I don't like too dewy foundation, so this is between dewy to matte. Next, I want to say that I never felt like locking this foundation with my powder. It looks pretty good like as such only. I never use powder with the foundation, so I cannot comment on like how much cakey you can look, but a light layer of powder doesn't harm because I always swipe a little bit of powder onto my foundation. I don't go heavy with the powders, so if you are someone who goes really heavy with the powders, stop doing it because it actually make your foundation look cakey. So don't complain that the foundation is cakey, it's just you're using too much of powder. So just a little bit layer of powder won't harm any foundation, I guess. Then it lasts pretty long for 8 to 10 hours. Then it gave my skin perfect illumination, which I want, like between dewy and matte. So another thing which I've taken into consideration before putting my thoughts up is that I should tell you that my foundations break on this area on this area, but this foundation lasts pretty good on this areas also. Usually I do my makeup before giving my thoughts, but I feel like I should do it this way. So yes, only flip side of the coin is the fragrance. I didn't like the fragrance, and if you are someone who likes full coverage foundation, then I won't say this is for you because it has a medium coverage. I won't lie that it doesn't have a full coverage, it has a medium coverage. This was my review on Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. I always forget the names. So tell me in the comment section if you want to inquire about something for the foundation which I might not have covered. Number one. And number two, subscribe to my channel. you can give me a subscribe. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and press that bell icon with the subscribe button so that you would be notified every single time I post a video. And yes, I will meet you in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay blessed, and a good morning, because I wake up at 7 in the morning. Bye.